Hello guys, by the end of this video you are going to have learned about the Fibonacci time, which gives you the time of bigger trends. So incorporating that strategy with real Fibonacci, it can give you an edge because you know the time for bigger trends and the time for smaller trends using Fibonacci time. It is very easy. Let us look at what we are going to be learning about. The important part of this Fibonacci, guys, I want you to understand that the Fibonacci time is based on numbers. So it is vertical lines. There is one, there is two, there is three, and then there is five. And then after five, there is eight, right? After eight, there is 13, right? So there is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But one does not 1 and 0 is just your points where you should place your Fibonacci, and then 2 and then 3. But what we have to look for here, you have to look for in between. We are differentiating the space between 1 and 2. So the space between 1 and 2 is very small. Between 2 and 3 is very small. But 3 and 5, this is a big space. So this space, guys, the bigger the space, the bigger the trend, right? So mostly I like to use the 3 5 and the 3 the 5 13, because the space is big. The bigger the space, the bigger the trend. So stay tuned, guys. I'll teach you how to place the Fibonacci axe. Let us remove everything. Okay, guys, first of all, just like other Fibonacci's, you have to identify your highs and lows, or the day that you want to predict. So obviously, I want to look at my Fibonacci points on this day, on the upcoming days. So I'll use this day, right? So I will have to identify my swing highs and swing low. So in this case, my high and low, the same way you place Fibonacci, my highs and lows, this is my high of the day, and then this is my low of the day. So I'll take my Fibonacci time. It gives you time for Fibonacci time zones, right? So you are going to place your Fibonacci time zones from this low up to this high, right? To this high. What you're going to see here, guys, you're going to see vertical lines. So this strategy, guys, incorporates time versus price. So because many indicators are focusing on time, on price, but this one focuses on time. It gives more weight on the time at which the trend is going to be what, to be more more trendy, right? So based on this day, guys, taking the swing high and the swing low, what we had what we have two, 1 and 2, guys. It is as you can see on the screen, there is no bigger trend, right? 1 and 2 and 3, there's no bigger trend. But look at 3 and 5. At 3 and 5, there was a bigger trend. So, and also what you have to look at, you can also look at what, the 5 and 8 for another correctional move, for or another trend. So guys, for us, what I want us to focus on the 3 and 5 because it has a bigger trend. Let me remove on my Fibonacci. I want to remove the 2. Yeah, I'll remove 2. Let me remove the 2. Oh, I have removed 1. Okay, let me remove the 1 and 2. 2 only. I'll leave 3. I'll add the 1 here because the 1 is just my highs and low, which is not a problem. Okay, now I've removed the 2. So the trend that I'll be focusing on based on this Fibonacci is the 3 and 5, and then the 5 and 8. So as you can see, guys, the market was trending, right? It was trending downward from that three level, from that time where the three stands from year to year, the market was trending. So this Fibonacci, it gives you the time where the market's going to trend. So we are focusing on 3 to 5. So let us take the other day. The other day, I'm predicting the forward day. So we are going to take it to low again, and then to our high. We are focusing on 3 and 5. Where's the 3 and 5? The 3 and 5 is here. Starting from here to here, there's a bigger trend. And as you can see, there was a bigger trend, right? Okay, let us take the other day, which means this day it states that the trend will start from here. Let us mark the points. Then the trend will start from here and end here, because I'm focusing on 3 and 5. And then, so this day, it tells us that the trend will start from here to here. And then the previous day, now we want to mark and make this thing a little bit complicated so that you'll understand. So, and then we take the low. I just want to mark this trends point where you'll see, so that you'll see how. Okay, so and then this one says that I'm focusing on 3 and 5. It states that the trend will start from here and then it will end here. And then the following day, it says that the trend will continue. The tree start from where the other day said that the trend will stop, right? So you see, it means that based on there is a what here in between of the day, it means that this day states that as the trend is going down, it means that there's going to be another trend, a bigger trend also. And then you saw the bigger trend with the hour 5 here. So Fibonacci time, guys, it gives you time for bigger trend. I use it for mostly time to measure bigger trends. Where even though I'm using my Fibonacci, I know where if I want to know where the market is going to have bigger trends, that's where I use Fibonacci time, right? So we can go on and go on. Let us take this day, and see where the bigger trend is going to start. We go on and on with these days, right? With these days, so that we know where the bigger trend is going to start. So this is another day. This is another day. Let us look at the three. Okay, the three is near. So look at what is happening here. There is a point whereby the market says that the trend is starting here, starting here, starting here. So all of these points, guys, all of this time, they correlate here. They correlate here. They correlate here. All of them, they say that the trend is going to start here. Another one says that 3 and 5, and then we have the 5 again somewhere. So all of them, they say that the trend is going to start at this time onwards. So at this time, on that time onwards, at this time, guys, which is 2026 109, at this time or 1 o'clock, we know that there is a bigger trend. So use it for trend. It's a trend following strategy. 3 and 5, there's a big gap. So that gap, it's a trend gap, right? Until next time, guys, don't forget to like, to subscribe on this channel. Also, guys, know that if ever you find any video like this on other channels, make sure that you report that video or to me, because to protect my content from other creators. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.